South African supermarket promotions have changed more in the last 6 years than they did in the previous 20. What used to be a yellow sticker, a weekend leaflet, and a radio shout has become something much bigger. Promotions are no longer just marketing noise. In South Africa, they are part of the operating system of retail. They shape traffic, they shape basket size, they shape loyalty, and they shape price trust. To understand where South African supermarket promotions are going, we need to understand where they came from. From 2000 to 2010, the system was simple. Promotions were mostly physical. Shoppers found deals in newspaper inserts, door-to-door leaflets, local radio adverts, big in-store posters, and shelf tickets. The message was direct. Come to our store this week because these items are cheaper here, and it worked. Why? Because shopping habits matched the method. Many households planned a weekly trip. Printed catalogs reached the home before the shopper reached the store. Radio reached commuters, taxi users, and home listeners, and posters inside the store gave the final push. This was the era of broad mass specials, straight price cuts. 2 for 20 Rand, 3 for 2, extra volume packs, weekend specials. The same message went to everybody. The goal was reach, not precision, but that old system built something important. It built South African deal culture. Long before smartphones, shoppers were already comparing stores, circling specials, delaying purchases, and learning to wait for value. Then came the next shift. From 2011 to 2019, loyalty changed the game. This was the moment when promotions stopped being only public messages and became customer tracking systems. Now the retailer could do two things at once: reward the shopper and learn from the shopper. That was a major change. Once retailers could see what customers bought, how often they bought it, and what they responded to, promotions became smarter. The old paper world did not disappear. Leaflets still mattered. Shelf talkers still mattered, but now they were backed by databases, member cards, SMS, apps, and targeted offers. And South Africa added its own twist. Immediate savings became powerful. That mattered because many South African households value relief now more than reward later. An instant till saving is easier to understand, easier to trust, and easier to feel. Then 2020 arrived, and the speed of change exploded. COVID did not invent digital grocery promotions in South Africa, but it pushed them forward fast. In a short time, grocery shopping became more screen-based, more delivery-driven, and more convenience-led. The deal was no longer only in the aisle, it was in the app banner, the push notification, the free delivery threshold. The timed offer, the saved basket. This changed shopper expectations. People got used to comparing before leaving home. They got used to seeing availability online. They got used to faster communication and easier redemption. But South Africa did not become fully digital. It became hybrid. One shopper was comparing app deals and using QR payments. Another was still following price boards, radio, adverts, and month-end paper specials, and the winning retailers learned to run both worlds at once. Then came the real pressure years. From 2024 to 2026, promotions became sharper, more defensive, and more value-led. This was the period when South African shoppers became more tactical, not just price-aware. Tactical. They learned to compare faster. They learned to split baskets. They learned to hold multiple loyalty cards. They learned to move between retailers depending on where value looked strongest that week. And that changed everything. Retailers were no longer just trying to move stock. They were trying to protect traffic, defend price image, hold relevance, and stop shoppers from drifting across formats. That is why promotions became more integrated. Price, loyalty, convenience, and communication stopped operating as separate tools. They became one joined system. A shopper could now get member pricing, app-linked savings, delivery convenience, and partner rewards inside the same retail ecosystem. The saving was no longer only on shelf, it was across the whole value architecture. But there was a danger. Too much promotion can train the shopper the wrong way. It can teach the customer to wait, to cherry pick, to shop only on deal, to stop trusting urgency, to believe that every week is just another sale. And once that happens, promotion starts losing power. That is why the strongest operators now ask harder questions. Not just, did the promotion sell? But did it protect price image? Did it earn the next trip? Did it grow the basket in a healthy way? Did it build trust? Or did it only burn margin? That is the real reset. South African promotions have moved from loud public discounting to a more disciplined value system, and that brings us to the next move. From 2027 to 2028, the most likely future is not less promotion, it is smarter promotion, fewer loud specials, more precision value. That means more member-linked pricing, more targeted deals, more integration between app, loyalty, delivery, and direct communication. But it also means something else. South Africa will remain a hybrid market. Formal and informal retail will both matter. Township and community realities will still matter. Transport pressure will still matter. Small packs will still matter. Proximity will still matter. The future is not one single promotional model. It is layered. Corporate chains will push data and precision harder. Franchise operators will win when they localize better. Township and informal operators will stay strong where trust, speed, break bulk, and neighborhood fit still beat formal complexity. So what is the final lesson? Simple. The stores that win by 2028 will not be the stores that shout the loudest. They will be the stores that make value feel real, relevant, and repeatable. They will know which offer drives pantry fill, which offer drives top up, which offer protects price image, and which offer only adds noise. That is the story of the great South African supermarket promotion reset. From paper specials to data-linked value engines, from mass messaging to tactical precision, from broad discounts to smarter, more believable value, and for South African supermarket operators, that is not theory, that is the battlefield.